Will you both become our boyfriend?
We both. Your boyfriends.
Yes. In return of that, all this money will be yours?
All that money.
Think it once. This all money will be yours.
Madam, see, joke with someone else, okay? You'll make us your boyfriend and give us all that money. You both are so beautiful. You're gonna make a lot of boyfriends. Why will you give us money?
You don't have to become a real boyfriend, just you have to do acting.
Acting?
Yes, and that too just for one day.
And in return for that, you will give us so much money. We won't be able to earn even in a month.
That's why I'm giving you.
You won't get us to do anything wrong, right?
No, we won't ask you to do something wrong. If you trust us, then it's okay. Otherwise, we'll find someone else.
Okay. We are ready. Tell us what we have to do.
First of all, you guys have to change your looks. Keep this money with you and go and buy some good clothes. Rest of the training we'll do in evening. At 5 pm, come on this address. And yes, come there wearing good clothes so that you guys can look like our boyfriend.
Okay, you don't worry. It will be done. You give me your number. If anything happens, then we'll call you.
9999 899.
Okay, we'll be there on time.
Okay, see you in the evening.
Okay. So, what should we do now? What can we do, man? Let's go. Anyway, the business isn't going well. On top of that, we haven't paid rent for 2 months. Let's go. It will be better for us. Okay, but if you see anything goes wrong, we'll refuse there and leave. Yes, we'll leave it there. Don't worry about this. Now let's go and buy clothes. Yes, let's go. Come on.
I'm being nervous. I don't know what father will say. Really are.
Hello.
Hello, guys. You guys are looking so handsome.
Thank you. Do we look like your boyfriends?
Yes, of course. Come sit.
Yes. Now tell us, what do we have to do?
Actually, our father is behind us. Get married. You know na how fathers are. And we don't want to get married right now.
And why is that?
We both want to focus on our careers right now. We want to start our business. So marriage not right now.
So, how can we help you?
Actually, Veena told father that we already have our boyfriends. We'll get married to them only. So father told me, okay, introduce me to those guys. If I will like them, so take how much time you want.
So, you get your boyfriend to meet him. Why you're getting us to meet?
Truth is this, we don't have any boyfriend. We wanted to make fake boyfriends and introduce to father so that we can get some time.
Oh, now I understand. What if he doesn't like us?
You guys just be honest. Don't say anything unnecessarily. My father likes honest people.
Okay, we'll try.
Dad, he's Sanju. And he's Sagar.
Hello. Sit. So, Sanju and Sagar, are you brothers? Yes, I'm the elder one and he's the younger. What do you do? We have a garage. We repair cars. So, you both are mechanic? Yes, sir. Both of us brothers like to stay near cars. That's why we do this job. Earlier, my father used to do this, and we learned from him. And he died soon. After his death, all the responsibilities came upon us, and now we are taking care of it. Okay, how is work going on? It's not going well right now, but it will get better soon. Okay, you both. Why do you want to get marry my daughters? That's because They have everything and still they want to build their own career. You have everything. You have money, no any shortage. But still they want to start their own business without your help. They are both hardworking and supporting. And they have everything a man wants in a woman. See, I never thought that I'd get my daughters married to a mechanic or a garage guy. But now that they have chosen you, so it's going to be special. So, Ria and Swara, you can take as much as time as you want for the wedding. And let me know when you all four are ready for getting married.
Thank you so much, Dad. Thank you. Thank you, Dad.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, then I'll leave now. I'll see you in the evening. Okay, sir. Bye. 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 Finally.
Thank you so much, guys. This is your payment.
No. We won't take it.
But why?
We don't think we have done something worth taking money for. And you two are really good people. So, we won't take the money.
But we told you that in return of work, we will pay you the money.
Yes, you said so. But it was nice helping you guys and spending time with you.
So, let's do one thing. In return of your help, today, let's take you guys on a dinner.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Friends?
Friends.
Friends?
Friends.